This method is the fastest way to get rid of blackheads. Let's get started. A spoonful of lemon juice, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of honey, add a spoonful of yogurt and then mix well. I will read all your comments and reply. Write me your comments and opinions. Good. Now, using cotton, apply the mixture on the nose or places where you have blackheads. After doing this procedure, wait for 3 minutes and then wash your face with warm water. You can help me a lot just by liking. Thank you for your like. And wash your face with warm water.